pretty windy right now, that's why. I know you can't see me right now. Pretty dark. I know you see the cars. I know you see cars passing by. You don't see me. Now do you see me? It's me and the lightning. I love you, lightning. You people who drive, please help the walkers, people who walk on the street. Like homeless people, regular people, old people, people who have fun walking. Just help them. Don't drive drunk or don't drive so fast. I'll show you. Where's one? See, there's one. I'll catch you later. I'll catch you maybe midnight. Midnight, baby! Midnight!